In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pipedrive custom fields. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, reusable field you can use across your team to capture consistent information. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, head to your Profile menu in the top right corner and open Personal Preferences. From there, look for the section called Data Fields. Think of data fields as the building blocks that store information in Pipedrive. Things like text, dates, numbers, and selectable options. These fields appear on items such as deals, leads, people, and organizations. Customizing them ensures your team collects the same details every time, which leads to better filtering, reporting, and automation. Next, open the Custom Field area. This is where you create a new field tailored to your workflow. A quick tip before you proceed. Make sure you're in the correct item type. For example, if you want the field to appear on leads or deals, confirm you're on that tab so the field shows up exactly where you need it. Give your new field a clear name. In this example, we'll call it Lead Source. Clear naming is important because it helps everyone on your team recognize the purpose of the field at a glance, and it keeps your CRM neat and searchable. Now set the field type to multiple options. This field type lets users select more than one choice from a predefined list, which is perfect when a lead might come from several sources. Instead of typing free-form text that can vary from person to person, multiple options keeps entries standardized and easy to report on. Add the options you want users to pick from. Type Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn, and other. Keep each option short, consistent, and mutually exclusive when possible. Including other is a helpful catch-all for edge cases, and you can always refine your list later as your marketing channels evolve. If your platform allows reordering, place the most common options at the top so data entry stays fast and accurate. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new lead source field is now active and ready to use. As your team updates records, they can select one or more sources, which makes it much easier to segment your pipeline, build filters, and create reports that show what's working. If you ever need to adjust the options or rename the field, you can return to the same area and edit it without affecting existing data. That's it for creating a Pipedrive custom field. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.